Parehong katakam-takam ang liampo at atay sa lutong alabistek, kaya talaga naman mapapa-extra rice ka sa kanilang combined sarap dito sa pork and liver steak recipe. In a bowl, pagsamahin ng pork belly, calamansi juice, soy sauce, salt, and pepper at marinate sa refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes. Ang gamit kong liampo ay nakaslice ng about half-inch steak para madaling maluto. In a pan, mag-init ng konting mantika and sear the pork until lightly browned. Remove from the pan and keep warm. Ipan-fry rin ang liver until lightly browned on both sides but not fully cooked. Alisin sa pan and keep warm. Magdagdag ng konti pang mantika if needed at igisa ang shallots until softened. Isunod ang garlic at continue sauteing until fragrant. Ilagay ang pork at ibuhos ang marinade. Naglagay rin ako ng tubig gamit ang bowl na pinagbabaran para masimot ang mga pinagtimpla. Timplahan ng pepper to taste. Bring to a boil, takpan at simmer until the meat is tender and the liquid is reduced. Check and stir occasionally for even cooking. Add ang liver and continue to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure na di ma-overcook ang atay para hindi maging tough. Ready na to serve at this point kung gusto mo ng konting sauce to spoon over rice or pakaluan pa ng walang takip kung gusto mo ang mas maiga. Top with additional shallots and cover briefly. Napakasarap nitong pork and liver steak at napakasustansya pa. Magsaing ng marami and enjoy!